Hello there, and welcome to another SCUM video. Today we continue our series, and we shall be doing the dam today. Then maybe take a visit on the sawmill and to the kill box and check out the military barracks. But first, it's this baby. Probably one of the most beautiful places in the game. After the patch, let's see what we can find in there. Okay. Let's try not to lose the car because of an airdrop explosion. That'll be nice. All right, perfect. Can drink. She needs to drink. Okay, cool. Okay. Max over there. Come on. Right. Can actually go into the water over there and cross the other side.
Stop right there.
Oh, hello.
Unhandled exception. Stop right here. In progress.
Silver lock. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, are we cool or not? Does look like it. Excellent. Bit of scrap in the cars, as usual. Ooh, hello. The other one is spotting me. they got taller, so they can track you down now better. Look at that. Shooting. Wow, look at that thing. Ooh, hello. I think the mech can still come here. It's not a big problem. Let's check if the mech can actually come there. Even if he can, it's not a very big problem. We have the containers. It's fine. Wow, okay. It's not interested. Okay. Let's do that. What? I hate these skinny ones. Let's do this part here first, and then we go. Oh, hello! Oh, so many of them. This is great. Look at all this. Nice. Nice. One is dead. All right. Careful with the stamina. Puppets are not that bad once you have a revolver. Okay. Yes, this place also has beavers. Okay, hiking woods. Yeah, it's still a good place to come. Oh, toolbox, I want that. An egg, fine. It's just cool, all of those are multiple searches. Nice. Wow, okay. Okay, nice. Got a bunch of walkers here. Let's see if they are so OP. Like the ones in the bunkers. Maybe not. Maybe it's like the naval. Let's see. Yeah, it does look like that. SCUM is awesome. Yeah, it's definitely nerfed. Okay, at least there's ammo. Oh, I want that to craft the toolboxes. Yeah, it's definitely it feels like those police station lockers. Yep. Not even open the other one. Okay. You might still get lucky, but doesn't look like. Think, for crafting materials, sure. Oh, hello, stopping. Before the patch, I found AKs in those white containers right there. So let's go there. No. There's a Big Mac. Is that a puppet walking on top of the rail? Yes. These guys. They have fun, They try to survive, and the puppets are the ones that have fun. Look at that. Casual walking on top of that rail. Okay. Yeah, a lot of craftable materials. Yeah, it's a good place. Because it's also easy to loot. Like that. Come on, I don't wanna call all your buddies. So I wanna axe you to death. Easy. Okay. We can try on top of the building. Hello.
Stop right there.
No, thank you.
I'm the Sentinel of Death, and you're on my hit list.
Oh, really? Okay. He's coming for you. Interesting. Okay, a bit of ammo. Yeah, ammo and cheeseburger. No, thank you. Ammo and craftable materials, for sure. Oh wow, look at those hands. Wow, so delicate. Nice. We can still get shot by the other mech, so be careful. Let me try to piss him off so he can fire the railgun. Can do that. Yeah, there's not much stuff here. Oh, let's piss those guys off.
Stop right there. I will terminate you in your very process.
Wow, those things, they go through the ceiling. Too many, yes. Those mechs are pretty shielded. Unless you're really in a place that they don't want you to be. Yeah, okay. Place is beautiful though. There's stuff there. Craftable stuff. No, I don't want to keep that. I want to repair. And that's the toolbox gone. Okay. Seems like the perfect timing. Ooh! Wow. Okay, he heard me or what? Remember that you have another one there. He's right there. Surprised he didn't saw me. Okay, good. He did saw me, and I don't know how I survived that. That was a real gun. Maybe because of the, that protection over there in the cover. Wow. Okay. Nice. Quite cool. What? Two of them are coming? Oh, that's not good. I don't want two of them. Crap. Where's that guy? Okay. Oh, nice. What's that guy doing? I thought he was going there when I was. Oh, you got stuck there. Okay. You just unload all the stuff. Also went to the trader. So the cell box is cell chest is almost empty. The loot is kind of what I was expecting. Okay, next one. Let's go to the sawmill. See if I can find a scourgy. What a beautiful place. We can check here. This place right here. Usually you'll find even screwdriver in here. Usually you find bolts, nails. Also in some servers you can actually make this a base. It's a cool spot. Okay, crowbar, I want that for the... Okay, see, nails. I want the crowbar for the naval. Nice. Oh, I actually want this. The feathers. I only have one. Cool. Tape. Bolt. Nice. Nice, another crowbar, nice. Okay, no squishes, but yeah, bolts and nails. Good. Also in here, in this small village, it's usually a car spawn. Right there in the middle of the death in here, this place. But maybe somebody took it already. And also the sawmill is also a place where you can find a car. Okay. Come on, Scourges. Okay, cool. Come on, really? Kitchen knife in here? Ugh. Okay, at least a pinky. I have quite a lot of tape for the red suit. Nice. Can check here. But usually it's there. It's the garages. That's the best spot. Ooh, nice. Nice. Ooh. Ooh, weapon clinic kit. Let's go. It's good. I wouldn't waste time if it wasn't good, right? Usually the vehicle spawns are over there at the car park. Even food. Thank you. And yes, you have to craft the toolboxes now. They're so much more difficult to find. They're still easy to craft, but the developers, they definitely lower the chances of you getting one. Bayonet in here, okay. Anything else? No. Okay. Let's see the deck. It's very good. Do I want to go there? Maybe. Chainsaw. It's cool. Chainsaw on a sawmill. Makes sense. Let's check this crate. Oh, let's go. Told you it would be a good place. One time I even found a base in here. Somebody built a base up there. Okay, let's check a room, which usually has good stuff. Oh, so many axes. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Okay. Stick the small one. Very nice. Bathrooms? No? Yeah. Soap? Yeah. What is this? Pantyhose, okay. Underpants. It's fine. Okay, cool. There's just planks over there. Nice. Oh, hello, sir. Character is getting better. Nice. I haven't shot the ammo. Let's take that. Oh, we can actually wear those. Okay, guess it's done. Very nice. We can check this one, the white container. Overall, not bad. And it's also stuff that I need. Nice. Every time the toolbox backpack is full, it's good. I need more though. That stuff there. soap. As for this one, there we go. All right. This one's for sale. Check the container. Usually in here is up a bit. Okay. Soap. I got enough. It's fine. Okay, cool. Up there is just an office and craftable stuff. Nice, it's nice. Hello. Two of them is not good. I mean, it's fine, but Wow. Okay. What are you guys protecting? There's nothing in here, guys. Why are you guys protecting this? Okay. Can I go? Apparently no. All of you? Yes. Ooh. Hello. Easy, guys. Okay, keep. Nothing else? Nope. Okay, next stop. Killbox, I guess. Z0? No. D0. Here we go. D0. Alright, guys. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed videos, and I see you all on the next one.